Good morning. This is your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. Seeing some mostly sunny conditions out there at the moment and expecting a nice day ahead of us today on the warm side, but we will see some breezy to windy conditions as we go into our day today, and we will see a slight chance of some precip, possibly some lightning in the area as we get towards the late afternoon, early evening. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We have a warm front that just south of the area that will try to lift through the area. Otherwise, we have a surface low off to the northwest that's associated with an upper level low where we'll see some energy, upper level energy rotating around that and pushing into the area as we go through today. That's going to bring us that slight chance of seeing some showers and possibly a thunderstorm in the area late today. Current conditions, we're seeing a few clouds around 6,000 feet, a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Winds are out of the south to southwest around 6 knots, temperature at 73 degrees, and relative humidity is at 70%. If we look at the current visible satellite, we can see plenty of clouds off to the northwest. We will see those clouds start to push into the area today, so we'll see mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions early today, and then we'll see some mostly cloudy conditions as we move later in the day. And under some of this cloud cover, we are seeing some showers with that upper level energy moving through. If we look at the short-term model for today as we go through today, expecting mainly dry throughout much of the workday today. But as that energy starts to push through the area again, we'll see that increase in clouds, and then we'll see just a slight chance of some showers pushing through as we get late in the afternoon. This is at 1600 local, and then continuing until about 22 local before we start to see that chance start to diminish, and then things should clear out of here as we go into the overnight and into the morning hours tomorrow. Once again, we'll see those winds picking up, gusting to 25 to 30 knots this afternoon, so that will be the main concern as we move through the day today. And as we get into the start of the day on Thursday, expecting dry conditions. Thursday looking to be a nice, dry, and tranquil day. Throughout the day with mostly sunny to partly cloudy conditions through the day and into the evening hours, expecting continued dry conditions, and we'll see clouds on the increase as we go into our day on Friday as we have another piece of energy moving into the area for the day Friday. Friday looks like a better chance of seeing some isolated scattered showers and storms through the area during the day, more so during the afternoon, but the chances there as we move starting early in the day and continuing into the later part of the day as well as into the evening hours. So if we look at the 24-hour weather risk chart for today, the main concern we start off with will be the winds. We do have the orange risk for winds at or above 25 knots starting this morning, as we're expecting winds to pick up out of the southwest at 10 to 15 knots, gusting to 25 knots. That's going to bring in some warmer air as well as some drier air. That will allow temperatures to rise to our high around 82 degrees today. And as we get into the afternoon hours, we'll pick up a red risk for those winds that are above 25 knots, expecting a slight increase in the winds out of the southwest, 13 to 18 knots, gusting up to 30 knots for the later part of the afternoon into the first part of the evening. As we get into the late afternoon, early evening, we pick up that slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm in the area. We'll see some dry conditions near the surface, so that could help to mitigate the chance of that precip or storm getting going, as well as any of the precip reaching the surface. But nonetheless, that slight chance is there, and about a 20% chance we see any lightning in the area. A better chance of a shower or storm as you move north of the Wallops area, but otherwise, we'll see those winds start to weaken as we get later in the evening. So we pick up that yellow risk for precip and lightning after the 1600 time frame, and that continues to around 2200 local this evening. And then we'll see those winds diminishing and those rain and lightning chances diminishing as well as we go through the overnight hours. We'll keep some clouds around, but we'll also continue to see a clearing trend as we go into the morning hours on Thursday, expecting our low around 63 degrees with those winds lightning to around 2 to 7 knots out of the west-northwest to start the day on Thursday, and we will see a better day for our Thursday. Otherwise, we're seeing tides slightly above normal at the moment, and for Thursday, starting off mostly sunny, could see some partly cloudy conditions at times. We'll have just a slight breeze with a high around 80 degrees, but green across the board for our weather risk. Those green conditions continue as we go into Thursday evening with a mostly clear to partly cloudy evening. Again, those clouds increasing as we approach our Friday. Otherwise, we'll see a chance of some patchy mist as we approach sunrise on Friday. And then as we go into Friday, we pick up a yellow risk for precip and lightning chances throughout the day on Friday, as we'll have partly to mostly cloudy conditions with that chance of showers and storms in the area, and a high of 81 for Friday. The trend has been increasing towards an increase in probability of seeing some showers and storms on Friday, so I would not be surprised to see that trend continue as we approach the end of the week, seeing a gradual increase in our chances for those showers and storms on Friday. But at the moment, keeping it at a yellow risk for that precip and lightning chance. Well, that will wrap up the 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Enjoy your morning.